So we wanted to do the same thing that we saw with websites with tokenization, and it's here, guys. And I'm gonna try to explain it and break it down within 60 seconds or less so that you can try it out and give us feedback. So the first thing you do is you go to EquityShare.ai, you log in, click on your icon, and you'll see a drop-down for asset tokenization. Once you see that page, you're able to connect with your MetaMask wallet. This wallet will own your smart contract and your token. You connect there, and then you're presented with the information that we need to solidify your smart contract. Your business name, registration state, registration information, token name, token symbol, all of these things that you need to create your token. Once that is complete, you go deploy, and we have a 9-step process in the back end that happens. We create your balance sheet smart contract, your allowance sheet smart contract that keeps you compliant. And then we mint your tokens to the blockchain and make sure that you are the one who owns it and you are the one who controls that smart contract and those tokens. I mean, it is super cool what happens in the back end, and I hope everybody can try it out. If you have a company and you're thinking about creating a token that becomes the lifeblood, becomes the nucleus of your company, you're able to send out dividends within minutes. You're able to keep a super clean ledger of your investor base. You're able to communicate with your investors through the EquityShare platform. I mean, listen, guys, I'm hyped up. I think this is gonna help thousands, if not millions of business owners worldwide be able to tap into tokenization, tap into the world of tokenization. And we see what's happening with Larry Fink and all these different big players who are really stepping into the tokenization realm. And this module right here is for the person who has a business, not for the institutional players. This is for the regular person who sees the vision, who wants to grow, and can use tokenization to their advantage. So guys, I'm hyped up. Excuse the hypeness, I'm really excited. But it's Verdon, again, CEO over at Equity Platforms. Test it out, give me your feedback. I'm adding the demo link below if you wanted to kind of chop it up and see if we can help you get to that next level in the tokenization journey. We also provide custom smart contracts. So if that's something that you wanted to do, just tap in, and we can't wait to connect. It's V. Peace.